Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I'm here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Dental Tape is a wide, flat, and waxed floss. The strong and durable floss is coated in natural beeswax, which makes it easy to slide in between teeth without shredding. It is shred resistant due to being one filament. It has a fresh mint flavor with natural ingredients. When using string floss, wind most of your floss around one of your middle fingers. Wind the remaining floss around your middle finger on the opposite hand. Hold the floss between your thumb and pointer finger. Move the floss in a horizontal movement until you feel that you are under the contact area. Never snap the floss between the teeth. Then curve the floss against each tooth surface, holding it tightly against the tooth. Move the floss in an up and down motion to remove the plaque between the teeth. It is best to complete this in a systematic approach, and looking in a mirror can assure that you are completing the technique correctly. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.